Dunlop. The rear is 200. 200 section rear है. I'm sure it can fit a wider tire. एक 210 तो आ जाएगा.
करना एक ग्राइंड सॉ ले, ग्राइंडर, ये बस ग्राइंड ऑफ कर दे.
फक भाई, ब्रैट
ड्रैग बार्स टाइप लगे हुए हैं जैसे वो वीडियोस होते हैं ना जिसमें वो लंबे स्टेज पे लोग बर्नआउट मारते हैं
और वो ड्रिफ्ट करते हुए वैसे. ब्रैट 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 ब्रैट.
We make you bang, blood.
मतलब ये तो पिलियन के भी सोफा है. 2 बार किसी को बैठाया इस पे गिर गए.
बारापुला इधर से. थैंक यू भैया. मानव, एक काम कर, एक सिगरेट जला और वहाँ पे जाके पूछ भैया पेट्रोल का रेट क्या चल रहा है.
Certainly, sir. और कुछ ऐसा कहता हूँ एक आग का वो जला के इसके टैंक पे भी डाल देता हूँ. लाइट जला के ट्राई करते हैं, देखते हैं क्या होता है. हार्डली है ड्यूरेबिलिटी टेस्ट.
हाँ सही बात है.
क्या ट्राई करना चाह रहा है? यहाँ पे खड़ा रहेगा वो डालेंगे. दोनों आग पकड़ के ना मैं दौड़ते हुए जा रहे होंगे.
फक भाई, गलत चीज. अबे उसके हैंडल बार कहाँ होते हैं यहाँ पे? चलाते कैसे बेंचो ऐसे ऐसे? अरे डैन ने 8 बार्स लगाए थे ना अपने उस पे मैग्ना पे. इतना छोटा सा आदमी बेंच ऐसे चला रहे भाई. So basically there is no objective to this vlog. I mean it's a very chill and laid back Sunday ride. We have very loud bikes right here, but we are chilling and killing.
What you doing, son? Nothing. Just chilling. Killing. True.
Well, as I already told you, the curves are this Harley's biggest enemies. I mean, a skilled and experienced rider can definitely lean this, but it's not a very easy task. And even then, you'll end up scraping those footrests. Not a very ideal situation. To worsen the problem, we are going to the one road this Harley hates the most, the GFR, full of twists and turns. But there are some pretty nice straights too. I can open it up there. Pun 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 pun. There's a lot of dug now here. Lot of dug here. Leaning. भाई ये कहाँ ले जा रहा है? ओह 959, Ducati 959. ओह ब्लैक सी यार.
I used to dream being real right now, now. If it wasn't working, I'ma work it out, yeah. I keep on going till the lights go down, yeah. Till the lights go. Everybody wanna make millions, but not everybody been working. Everybody know they got brilliance, but not everybody been searching. Everybody rap about money and hoes, but they got neither. Everybody knows, always been keeping it real. Every time that I spit in the flow, I've been going to get it, they not gon' forget it. I've been going up, they been staying afloat. My music been personal, telling my stories. I'm telling the truth and my life been exposed. Talking to fans that we in it together. I'm never gon' turn even under the pressure. I'm keeping it true to myself. Don't matter to me if the curtains are open or closed. Everything I wanted, I got it. Always wanted more, so I never be stopping. Everyone asking when a new dropping. Pressure been building, but it's a good problem. Graduated college and now I got options. Always bringing more, all these rappers take caution. Always been bossing, everybody watching. Love every fan, just know you're not forgotten, no. Everything I used to dream being real right now, now. If it wasn't working, I'ma work it out, yeah. I keep on going till the lights go down, yeah. Till the lights go down, down. Till the lights go down, down. I've been feeling alright, I've been taking what's mine. I've been running out of time, I'ma keep on going up till the lights go down.
Stop him!
So we're done here at Shrottle. We had a breakfast, some parathas and some cold coffee, that's it. I found a really quiet place that no one can judge me at. Even though this asshole right there, Atomicookie, you're an asshole, okay? Point proved, but yeah, he doesn't let me vlog and he doesn't wanna be in my vlog. So yeah, you're an asshole, Atomicookie. Wherever you are, I cannot see you in this film. So yeah, that's about it for this vlog. It was short, simple vlog, nothing special as such. I hope you liked it, and if you did, do give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, do subscribe to the channel. And now I'm heading to make another vlog. So the next vlog will start from here only. So okay, bye-bye.
Work it out, yeah. I keep on going till the lights go down, yeah. Till the lights go down.